Here we are, Barnhill Bee Barn, or snow farm. There we go. That's as you can see, it's halfway up on the wheels there, but those are just runoff from the house. But let me show you my bees. It's about 6 inches. Good for the drifts. Yep, bees have access to come in and out on that one. This is all sleet up here by the door because I can walk on top of it. Yeah, the bees have already cleared them a path to get in. There's the mountain in front of the front door. It's 3 foot deep. Really bricks there. Normally sticking way out of the ground. Snowed right up to them. Front yards. What about 5 inches? No snow down there. There's sleet down there. There's the bees in the backyard. That was completely sealed. Yeah, all 3 of them. Okay, we gotta find something to fix that. There. Now they can all get out. They're not moving though. Could be because it's like 14. Okay. There it is. Air conditioners are frozen up. But they won't run anyway. Yeah. Not much traffic. Only lost mail ran yesterday. I'm not going to go look. There you go. Okay, in case I forgot to tell you, it's Monday, January the 25th. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 18 degrees outside. That was a nice little trip around the house looking at the bees. Y'all enjoy.